Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, children, in last class we have completed the grammar topic question words, and we have seen with all the exercises which are there in the companion and studio. Right? Now, children, again grammar, one more topic we are having in this lesson only. Let's see, children. Listen carefully, children. Plural possessive pronouns. Plural possessive pronouns. Okay, children. Pronouns means already we know the words which we use instead of nouns. Plural means more than one. And possessive means what, children? Yes, belongingness. Okay, belongingness means నాకు సంబంధించినవి. Okay, నావి. Like that, possessive. Okay, plural possessive pronouns. Let's see, children. Read the dialogue between Inspector Ashok and a journalist. A journalist is someone who collects news and information for a newspaper, magazine, or television. Do you all know journalist, right, children? What he will do? He will collect all the news for newspaper, television, and magazine. Circle the possessive pronouns. One is done for you. Journalist. Hello, Inspector. Thank you for speaking to us. Inspector is talking. I have forgotten my pen. May I borrow yours for a minute? Okay, you have to read these dialogues, and what you have to do, children, you have to circle the possessive pronouns. See here, in first dialogue, not even one possessive pronoun, it's not there. Here it's there, my. Okay, my pen. And next, may I borrow yours? Okay, yours for a minute. Okay, possessive means belongingness, belonging to me only or belongs to you only. And pronoun means instead of none we will use. Okay, my means instead of inspector we are using my, and yours means instead of journalist name we are using yours. Okay, turn your pages, children. See here, already they did one for us, journalist. Sure, you can take mine. Inspector. Oh, my. Again it came my here. My father has many pens just like yours. Journalist. Does he collect pens? Inspector. Yes. Have you seen the stationery shop down the road? It is his. It is his. Next, journalist. Yes, my sister. Whose sister? Journalist sister. Okay, my sister. And I have visited that shop many times. My sister bought this bag from there. It is hers. Whose? The journalist's sister's bag it is. Okay, it is hers. Like this we have to circle these, children. And next, see, recall that words such as mine, yours. Tell us that someone or something belongs to a particular thing or person. They replace nouns. They are called possessive pronouns. Yes, mine and yours, these two, where we will use, it will tell something belongs to a particular persons. Okay, where we will use in the place of the nouns. See examples, those words can be called as possessive pronouns. See examples, children. Whose pen is that? It is mine. Is that my book? Yes, it is yours. Is that your phone? Yes, it is mine. Okay, these are the possessive pronouns. We use words such as theirs, ours, and yours. when someone or something belongs to more than one person. Okay, that means see, if someone something belongs to only one person, ఏదన్నా ఒక్కరికి సంబంధించింది అయితే మనం ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాం, మైన్ అంటే నాది, యోర్స్ మీన్స్ నీది. అండ్ ఇఫ్ మోర్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, సంథింగ్ ఇస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు మోర్ పీపుల్ అంటే అది ఎక్కువ మందికి సంబంధించినది, అంటే వాళ్ళకి, మాకు, మీకు. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి, మాకు, మీకు, లైక్ దట్ మోర్ దెన్ వన్ పర్సన్ ఆర్ దేర్, వి విల్ యూజ్ దీస్. ఓకే, వాట్ వి విల్ యూజ్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్, దేర్, ఆర్ అండ్ yours. Okay, like that we will use. See, look at these examples, underline the nouns that the words their, ours and yours are replacing. One is done for you. That means these are the pronouns. You have to underline to which nouns they are replacing. అంటే ఇవి ఏ nouns రిప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాయో ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. Underline you have to do. My friends love reading books. These books are theirs. Theirs means whose? Friends' books. Right? Now, this game was won by our team. This trophy is ours. Ours means whose? Yes. Ours means our team. Our team. These notebooks are for the students. Even the textbooks are yours. Yours means here? Yes, students. See children, observe one thing here. Friends, our team and students all are singular or plural? Plural only. Okay, they are more than one. Now see in next page children. Let's see. Now observe this sentence. My friends love reading books. These books are theirs. The word theirs replacing the plural noun friends. Right? Theirs is replacing by plural noun friends. Right children? Now see, note that yours can be used to replace nouns both in the singular and plural forms. Okay, yours. Yours మనం ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, సింగులర్ ఉన్న యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, ప్లూరల్ ఉన్న యువర్స్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ అవర్స్, దేర్స్ వి విల్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ప్లూరల్ అండ్ మైన్ వి విల్ యూజ్ ఫర్ సింగులర్. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ example, there is a book on the table. I think it is yours. Okay, there is a book, I think it is yours. Only one book is there. There are many books on the table. I think these are all yours. All yours means మీ అందరి బుక్స్ అక్కడ ఉన్నవి. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ నీ బుక్ టేబుల్ మీద ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ప్లూరల్ ఆర్ సింగులర్ వి విల్ యూజ్ యువర్స్ యాజ్ యువర్స్ ఓన్లీ. Okay, yours, theirs and ours do not take an apostrophe before the s. Sometimes we will use s, apostrophe s, right children? Here in these pronouns we will not use, manam pettakodadu. Okay, we will not use any apostrophe s also. Now practice plural possessive nouns in 4D and 4F. That means open your companion children, everyone. Okay, open companion page number 29 children, 4D. Tick the suitable pronouns showing ownership in the following sentences. One is done for you. Ownership means possessiveness, right? Now write children, India is our country. It is ours and theirs. We have to tick in ours only. Now, are you the members of the music group? Are these instruments theirs or yours? To whom we are talking? You. Here we use you, right? We have to select yours like this tick. And next, this land belongs to the farmers. Every tree and animal here is yours or theirs? Yes, theirs. We are talking about the third person, the person who is not here. I am talking about the farmer somewhere he is. Okay, if I am talking to farmers directly, this land belongs to you only. Like that, I will talk means I will use the pronoun as yours. Okay, but I am talking about like this land belongs to the farmers. Now, see, children, that is your pencil. Okay, that is your pencil. Yours are in our bag. Okay, that is your pencil. Is it okay? Now, yours are in our bag or ours are in our bag? Yes, here we use ours, right? Here we have to write ours. Okay, ours are in our bag. Okay, నీ పెన్సిల్ అదిగో, మా పెన్సిల్స్ మా బ్యాగ్లో ఉన్నవి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ఆర్ యూ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ యువర్ బ్యాగ్? దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ బ్యాగ్స్ హియర్. విచ్ ఈస్ దేర్స్ ఆర్ యోర్స్? To whom I am talking? I am talking to you only. Right. Then which possessive pronoun I have to use? Yours. Right. Are you looking for your bag? There are so many bags here. Which is yours? Bruno is the most faithful dog I have seen. Here is our neighbor's dog. He is theirs. Okay. Here, neighbor's dog, not ours dog. Neighbor's dog means theirs dog. It is not ours one. Right? Theirs dog. Now see, children, turn your pages. Page number 30. See, children, page number 30. What is there? 4E. Read the sentences and circle the incorrect pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct plural possessive pronouns. Write sentences of your own using the correct plural possessive pronouns. One is done for you. Okay, what you have to do? You have to circle the incorrect pronoun and you have to fill in the blank with the correct plural possessive pronoun, and you have to rewrite the sentence also, children. Now see, one they did. Let's see. These toys belongs to me and my brother. They are yours. ఈ టాయ్స్ అన్నీ నాకు మా బ్రదర్కి సంబంధించినవి, మావి. దే ఆర్ యువర్స్, అవి మీవి అని చెప్పొచ్చా? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. దే ఆర్ అవర్స్. దే ఆర్ అవర్స్. రైట్. నౌ, the bicycles parked here belong to me and my friend. They are ours. Okay, like this we have to use this and we have to rewrite the sentence again, children. Okay, let's write. Ginger is my neighbor's pet cat. It is ours. Okay, neighbor's pet cat will not become as ours, right? Then what we have to write? It is theirs. It is theirs. Right, children? Now, write one more sentence by using this. Okay? The notebook on the notebook on the table the notebook on the table belong to the students students we are using, right? Then we have to keep notebooks. The notebooks on the table belong to the students of the next class. It is ours or theirs? As theirs. It is theirs. Like this, children, we have to write the sentence by using same possessive pronoun. Okay, let's do one thing till children. I will circle like this the incorrect pronouns in the sentences. Okay, you try to write these two sentences by your own. Okay, let's see. The bags in the corner belong to my friends. They are ours. No, they are not ours. Theirs. They are theirs. And next, take those books which are on the table. Those are theirs. No, we have to take no books. That means those are ours. Okay, ours, ours, and theirs is not correct. Like this, children. Okay, try to read these two. Try to write these two sentences by using correct possessive pronoun, plural possessive pronoun, children. Okay, do this one. Okay, this is about today's English class. Please listen carefully. Try to understand the grammar topic, children. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.